The market's been powering higher over the last week to week and a half, and it may continue to move higher for a few weeks to a few months or even the next year. But that is the time to start getting more defensive, and it's the time to start broadening your education to protecting your investments. So we do have a brand new course coming out soon here towards the end of the year. It's just launched, and it is called Trading During a Correction. So if you're looking to protect your investments, the money that you have, the capital that you already got and earned over the course of the year or even over the recent run, then this is what the course is for. It's to teach you how to protect yourself when things go bad. And the time to do that, the time to study, the time to educate, the time to learn different concepts and strategies of protection is when things are peaceful, when things are normal. That's when you have a little more time. You can do it clear-minded without the stress, without the problems. Now, this course for this next couple of weeks is on sale and on promotion, so I would highly encourage you to check it out and grab it. You can do so on our website. If you go to Rise to Learn or even tradersfly.com. The links are going to be right there in the description below, so check that out. And what you'll find is if you scroll down, there it is, Trading During a Correction. It should be on the website. If it's not there, you can always look at all the other courses we have available, and I would highly encourage you to check this course out to protect yourself when things get nasty or before things even get nasty, because the time to prepare yourself is before you get on the bicycle. You put on the helmet or you put on the knee pads before you go skating or doing some trick shots. You do the protection before you do the activity, and this is what this course is all about. Now you can click into it. We've got about 6.5 hours of training and education on a lot of materials, from introduction to corrections, to discussing the foundations of volatility, to selling covered calls, how you might do these strategies a little different, to buying stocks for cheap with cash secured puts. When do you buy a put? Where do you buy a put? How to buy those single puts, selling high probability verticals in bearish markets, buying vertical spreads. This course isn't going to teach you the ins and outs of a specific strategy. What it's going to do is tell you how to transform these strategies that you're doing and apply it to trading during a correction and apply it to the different variations. So we'll also go on screen, but what you'll find is, along with a lot of the foundational work here of how to do things, we'll also look at spreading capitals and spreading positions and so forth. We'll go on screen on the Thinkorswim platform and discuss those as well. We'll look at different puts, like, hey, if you buy an out of the money put, an at the money put, an in the money put, how will it behave differently and how you might actually do those things. Same thing with vertical spreads. So buying vertical spreads versus selling vertical spreads, or how to catch a falling knife. So we'll discuss those things in much more detail as well. So there's a ton of information here to cover. As for going into a correction, we go into back ratio spreads, to managing positions, buying diagonal spreads, as well to hedge off the risk because you might have a lot more bullish positions. And it's going to teach you many things, from handling a correction to before even getting into a correction. Because, a lot of times the issue is not when when the market's all bullish and it looks great, like right now the market looks great and it's been going up this last couple of weeks. But the issue is not when it's going up. The issue is once you're preparing and it's continuously going up, 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 that's the time to prepare. And then you may get the pullback. Right now we've had a ton of green days and it's been looking good. But then what if you get like one nasty red day? That's the time to start preparing. So you don't want to live in a state of euphoria here, thinking that every day is going to be a green day. Like, maybe today, if you're watching this video on today, and if it's an up day, then yeah, it could look positive. But the time to prepare is to do so ahead of time. Not only do you have to take the time to learn the information, you may want to practice that information. You may see how it applies to your situation, your portfolio, your risk management. So there's a lot of things involved in there. So I highly encourage you to check that out. Check out the website. Go to tradersfly.com. And then take a look at trading during a correction. You'll get that promotion at the beginning while we do the sale, and you'll continue to learn, evolve, and grow as your knowledge continues to expand. Anyways, truly appreciate you sticking with me. Thank you so much for all the comments that you guys write in. Appreciate that, and feel free to check out and visit the website to learn more about the course, the material, and to get started. So hope to see you there in the class. And if not, well, continue to watch some of the other free videos on YouTube. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.